my fidgets and their like organizers have been getting really messy, so we're gonna organize them today. I do have this Pop-It Bubbly Fidgets gave me, but it like pops on its own, so she also wants it back, so yeah. And it gets really dirty, so yeah, let's get to organizing. Okay. Whoa. Okay, so I do not have an obsession. I have an obsession. So this is all like probably 100 fidgets. I don't know. While I put them back in their organizers, I'm gonna count them. We're gonna start off with the stress balls. Okay, so I have 27 stress balls. Now the Pop-Its and other random stuff. I'm just gonna put this in. I had to fold this Pop-It. Now the random stuff. I have 106 fidgets in all. Hope you like this video. Bye.
I'm unboxing my fidgets. I'm going to be showing you everything in here now. I'm just going to pull one at a time. First is this super cute panda mochi and this cat mochi. Next we have 2 anxiety rings. These are actually really good. Next is this blue marble and mesh. There is also a purple one and a green one. Next we have this wacky track. It sounds really good. Next we have this fake tangle. So this one's like a lot like harder to move than the real one, but it still feels pretty nice. Here's a comparison. Next we have 2 bike chains. Here's what it looks like out of the packaging. Stay tuned for part 3.
Hey guys, I heard somebody's getting traded today. I wonder who it is.
It's probably you, Pop-It. You're gonna get traded.
It's probably you, ASMR Pod. Have you seen yourself? She never uses you. I don't know who it's going to be, but it's definitely not me.
I don't think it's gonna be me, because she uses me a lot, kind of.
Oh, whatever, Bite Chain. She never uses you. I'm obviously her favorite.
It would never be me. She uses me all the time. It's you, Pop-It. Like, look at your sassy attitude.
Okay, well, I mean, you're kind of right. It probably is Bite Chain. She never gets used. Yeah, you're right. It's probably going to be Bite Chain anyways. Wait, guys, she's coming.
Who should I trade today? I think I'm going to trade Pop-It. I'm kind of over it. Aw, so much better.
Hey, guys.
You're going to be so much better than Pop-It.
You're so right, ASMR Pod. Pop-It was horrible.
I have my own business check. This is my most popular product. This is my favorite product. This is one of my most expensive products. This is my most affordable product. Yes, I know, they're just fleas. This is also one of my favorite products. These are my newest products. Also a new product.
Here are all of my biggest fidget toys. I have these 2 giant stress balls. This big slinky. This big container of Crazy Aaron's thinking putty. I have a really long wacky tracks. I have this big fidget toy. I have a dimple, which is also pretty big. And lastly, I have a Pop-It.
It's so good. Now I'm gonna open up the simple dimple. Oh, this is the bad side. The good side's so good. Now this flower simple dimple. Okay. Whoa, it's so good. Next, the 3-way simple dimple. That's a flower thing. Oh, this is so good. Whoa. Now for this new Pop-It. 3, 2, 1. This is so good. And this is the bad side. Now the good side. Whoa, so good. This might be my favorite Pop-It. Now for this Among Us dimple. This is so good. I think this is my favorite thing I got so far. Now for the dimple digit. This is so good. Globbles time. These are the best. If you're looking for fidgets, get these stuff. Bye.
Okay, I am not okay. I just found the Pop It fidgets at Target. Oh, this is so cool. Oh, and they have a yellow one. Yes, they're literally so cool.
Let me tell you what fidgets are actually worth it. Yes. No. No. Yes. Yes. No. Yes. No.
But all fidget creators, if you're a fidget creator, use the sound. Show your favorite fidget, your least favorite fidget, a fidget that breaks easily, a fidget that nobody else has in their collection, a DIY fidget, a fidget that you would highly recommend, and lastly, an item that you use as a fidget but it's not really. Fidget if you scroll. You'll fidget if you like. You'll fidget if you comment. You'll fidget if you've shared to 5 friends. You'll fidget if you follow. And you'll fidget if you do.
Fidget trading with my mom. Oh yeah. These are my fidgets. And these are my mom's fidgets. First offering these roller rings.
How about 2 sets of roller rings?
Sure. Yeah.
Offering this cool-shaped Pop-It.
Jeez. How about this dimple?
Add a mini Pop-It, and I think you have yourself a deal.
All right. Yeehaw. Oh, this is so good.
How about this Ryan's World Orby stress ball?
Sheesh. How about this crab Orby stress ball?
Yeah!
Sheesh. Mesh ball.
Baby mochi.
For sure. I love this little guy.
You'll fidget if you scroll. You'll fidget if you like. You'll fidget if you comment. You'll fidget if you've shared to 5 friends. You'll fidget if you follow. And you'll fidget if you do all. Sister rates my fidgets.
Hey.
Pop it.
10 out of 10.
Big Neato.
Also 10. I love this.
Homemade Tangle.
8.
Water snakes.
Oh, these are so cool. 9.
Texture fluffy thing.
0.
Mochis.
5. They're really cute.
Splat ball.
7.
Joystick.
6.
Homemade marble mesh.
Oh, I love this thing. 8.
Squishies.
7.
Cactus. Sand stress ball.
5.
Homemade globbles.
8.
Homemade simple dimple.
7, 6, 5.
Buttons.
9. I love these.
Bye. So last week I ordered from Fidget Toys Plus, aka Miss Bench, and it just arrived. Let's open it. Okay, it's opened. Here's the first peek. Let's dump it out. Here's my invoice and this super cute Miss Bench sticker. And here are all the things that I got. First, here's the snappers. At first glance, this is much smaller than I thought it was going to be.
This is it compared to my hand. As you can see, it is very small. I just took off the tag and I'm ready to snap. It's not snapping. I like it and I'll be doing another in-depth review. I rate this a 7 out of 10. Next, I got this dough ball. Oh my goodness, this feels so weird. I love how it feels. I also love how you can stretch it. 10 out of 10. Last but not least is my color changing stress ball. I was hoping I would get a different color because I already have this color, but I still love it. Here it is. This is a 7 out of 10. Bye.